peace before the second engagement. What's with the little quirky head movements? I am Roboton. Watch me shake my robotic lizard head.
It's like they know there's an audience.
Yeah, seconds from disaster. Oh. Yes. Coming closer to my lair. Uh-huh. Yes, take that. No, you take that, you little bastard. I'm gonna kick your ass. Oh, really? Watch me jerk my head up and down. Ooh. Ah, go, go, Godzilla. He's got the one by the throat. He's tapping out. Tap out, tap out. He's not gonna tap out. Worked hard. Uh-huh. Tap out. This is gold. It's too bad that radio's playing in the background. It ruins the copyright. There's a spectator here too. That's one thing I learned on videos. No music. Look at that tap out. Yeah. Oh, he's hanging.
And that guy can let him go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to break this up in the middle. I can't take this.
Oh, stop being a vegetarian.
No. I can't watch.
They don't kill each other.
I don't know that.
Well, I've yet to see a bunch of dead Canadians
Of course,
around.
you don't see dead birds either hardly ever, but they die.
Yeah. Look at that tap out move.
I can't take it anymore.
Oh, no.
I really can't.
You really can't?
Yeah.
You gonna stab him with that knife?
Alright.
So much for that.
Sorry.
That's okay.